look swollen. Hello, and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? So for today's video, as you can see, I am wearing my striped shirt. I'm wearing a striped shirt because I thought it'd be fitting for today's video. Cute. For today's video, I have something really exciting to open with all of you. So, obviously, for today's video, I dressed like this because for today's video, we'll be opening up the Monster High Beetlejuice doll. Just take a look at that packaging. Here it says, what does it say? From the makers of Monster High Skullector. I have not opened the box yet, so I don't know what they look like. I mean, I know what they look like I bought it, I saw the photos, but I haven't opened the actual packaging yet. On the side, we have Beetlejuice's face, or Betelgeuse, and we have the beautiful Lydia Deets. And then on the other side, it just says Beetlejuice, and from the makers of Monster High Skullector. And yeah, that's basically the sides. And then on the front here, it says Here Lies Betelgeuse. And here is Beetlejuice next to the gravestone, which is really cool. And on the other side, on the back here, Beetlejuice and Lydia dolls. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Come on, ghoul, it's showtime. Say my name 3 times and we'll be compadres, amigos, BFFs. I'll show you the ropes about being a ghost, and you help me get back to the land of the living. What do you say? If only more of the recently deceased were like my goth 2 bestie Lydia, you gotta love her pitch dark sense of fashion. It's totally to die for. She has some scary good calypso moves too. So stop acting grave and just say it. Together, we're gonna be the best bio-exorcist team this podunk Winter River Village has ever seen. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, first of all, this cardboard is really stiff. I love Tim Burton. Let's take a look at these dolls here. So it is just a complete front window. You can see they do look really good. Yeah, I'm looking closely at them and they look perfect. Yeah, they look so good. I don't want to look too closely at the dolls yet. I want to take them out of the box. But for now, the packaging, I will show you. We can see the house that everything takes place in. And it goes all the way down to where the graveyard area is. And that's why they're standing in the graveyard here. You could totally see the gravestone and the Betelgeuse sign here. Yeah. Nothing too crazy. Beetlejuice is in her kind of like it's showtime kind of pose. Oh, I love how in the back you can kind of see that the stars are actually little light bulbs or little LED lights, because I guess this is all supposed to represent the model instead of like the actual background. Oh yeah, you could totally see it on the grass. I'm going to take them out and we're gonna take a little closer look at the dolls themselves, okay? All right, everyone, so I finally got them out of the box. So here is a Beetlejuice, a Betelgeuse, Beetlejuice. This is Beetlejuice. Twins. So as you can see, she is wearing the final outfit he wears before he disappears. This is the outfit he wears before the wedding. Is just a printed on kind of satin fabric, which is like kind of a downside. I know that a lot of people were kind of pissy pants about how like these weren't finished, like none of this flowy fabric is finished, but I'm pretty sure it's supposed to look like destroyed or whatever, so like I don't have a problem with it at all in my opinion, because I think it gives it the more, like, if it was even more like kind of distressed in the back, I think that would even look like much, like that could even look cooler. She does have the amazing pair of boots that Mattel Creations worked on very hard with. We've got the, like, it is just a normal Monster High platform heel in the front here, but on the back you can see that we've got, it's like the faces that the couple Barbara and Adam make to like prove to Juno there and like scare the Deetses out. Honestly, like I do wish that it was like completely painted, but something about the fact that it's just like all one color, it's just like, even like, it's better. I don't know how to explain. We love the belt. Even though it is a reused piece, it still works with the outfit very well. I like the idea of having a belt there anyway, so I think like a studded belt is very nice. She has got this what is that, like a collar and necktie, but I was actually curious because I wasn't sure if this was gonna be a shirt, and it's really not. It's just her neck, but I think that looks really nice because there's like this piece of fabric that is like kind of covering up like the boob area. When it comes to her face and like head accessories, I love it. Her eyelashes are so beautiful. I think the designer Rebecula13, I think she was at least like the head designer. She understood the assignment. She is wearing Monica Decay's, or I think even Julia has worn these at some point. We're wearing worm earrings, but they're actually in the color of the sandworm. And I love that this little hat is in the detail of like when Beetlejuice finally tries to like when the ghost couple, when they finally ask Beetlejuice for like his help, he has this hat on and then like he rolls his arms out. It's crazy. There's like a pearl kind of, or like a beaded kind of detail outlining everything. The little bats are there, the little face thing, and the little bat on top is very nice. Then looking at the beautiful Lydia, I love how big her eyes look here. You can see we've got the Lydia's signature bang style. It's like kind of separated onto her forehead. The hat looks exactly like this. It's even got the little ribbon coming down. You can see that she's got her little amulet here. I really love how they incorporated the tree. I think it's the one that Beetlejuice kicks over, but it's just nice to see the detail. It goes all the way around, of course, because this is a $100 set. She comes with her little camera that she takes pictures of the ghost with. The handbook, here it is. First of all, very nicely printed, but it fits perfectly into her hand. Let me just, there you go, see? That's perfect. Also, very accurate to the movie. So this is her dress. It's kind of like a high-low style. It's not lined, unfortunately, and the petticoat doesn't even go all the way around. It just kind of stops halfway through, just enough so you can see it. It's a very cheap fabric, unfortunately. It's kind of like paper. And she does have the black fishnets. It's actually a very nice material. It's very nice quality. It's very stiff. I think that's good. That means it's good quality. We are wearing Twyla's boot. We've even got the little spider and everything. However, they changed the heel, oh my god, to be Beetlejuice's like snake form when he like tries to scare the Deetses, I think the first time. It's very nice. You guys can't really see it, unfortunately, but it is very nicely and accurately sculpted onto the shoe. And I love how in the front they changed the platform to be the body of the snake. So that is basically the dolls here. I will say though, time to talk a little bit about the negatives. First of all, my Beetlejuice's arm was like stuck. Like I had to take an X-Acto knife to it to like loosen up the joint because it would not bend. Luckily, I finally got it to bend eventually, but it was like, I was scared that I was either gonna break the joint or I didn't know what to think because like it was just the plastic, like mended to itself. In terms of quality, this set is I'm from Canada, so this set is about $105, I think, or 130 something like that, over $100. I'm glad that I saved up and budgeted for it, and I'm glad that the makers at Mattel, they gave us enough time to like get ready for this, because if I didn't know, like if I only knew a week ahead, I wouldn't have been able to pick these up, unfortunately. And I think it was a really good choice because these are beautiful dolls as well. But overall, I'm really happy with them. I was the one that spent the money. No one sent this to me for free, so I will be honest. I wish it was cheaper. The quality is great. I will say the quality is great. The plastic feels very nice, but I just wish it was a little cheaper, because for what we're getting, I don't know if it's that worth it. If I were to put a price on these, I would probably put these at like $50-$60 Canadian, because honestly, this is just the same quality as, say, the Ghoulia and Slow-Mo 2-pack. Like, that's the vibe that I'm getting with the quality that we've got. But the designs in general and the concept in general is amazing and enough for me to buy these. All right, everyone, so that is everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. I'll see you on the flip side. Bye-bye.